guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to another video. For today's video, let me show that. I am so excited. My Simba. Oh my god, that's his name. Simba. How have I never not named my car? For today's video, my Simba is turning into So inside my garage right now, we have got the Cobra sporting reel. In the paper, put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown problems in the paper, put my problems, paper dial up the deputy mad at my brown. But quickly, before we even get into that, let me quickly hop in the car and tell you guys about something really exciting. What? Now boys, I just want to say a massive, humongous shout out to BoTV for sponsoring this exhaust video. Pow, pow, pow. Now then, BoTV is a dream car competition where somebody is guaranteed to win a car every single week. I'm listening. They've literally got my dream car, the Mercedes A45, up for grabs. Boy, look at this car. Let's say a Mercedes A45 isn't your taste, you know? You could also win these hatchbacks. A Golf R, a Ford Focus. Is that a hatchback? I'm just gonna say yeah. A BMW M135i and an Audi S3. Honestly, boys, I can't deal with the excitement. So it's not only hatchbacks you can win, you can literally win anything. You can win SUVs, hatchbacks, vans, sports cars. Fam, they got the lot. Bentleys to win, they got Audis, they got Volkswagens, they got seats. Seats. Now, if you think winning a car isn't good enough for you, you could also win a massive pile of cash in the boot of your car. So inside my boot, well, I don't have 20 grand, but I do have some nice off-brand iced rings. Now, tickets start from as little as 85 pence. Now, BoTV have been around for 20 years and they've given over £33 million worth of prizes away. To enter, you only have to be 16 years of age. So I actually don't know what you guys are waiting for. Go to the link in the description and go to BoTV, and you never know, you could be the next winner of your dream car. Now boys, please go check them out. Honestly, they've supported this video, so go show them some love. Link in the description. Thank you for watching that short sponsor. Honestly, I do appreciate it. Anyway guys, back to the exhaust video. And what do you have to say about it, Michael? Spoiler alert, it actually sounds fire. Oh my god, here is the exhaust. So here is hopefully everything we need. We've got like the exhaust pipe thing, which is absolutely massive. Watch this. No lie, I could wear this as a hat, it's that big. Look. If you guys didn't know, the only thing I've ever installed onto my car is an air filter. Honestly, I'd be the worst mechanic in the world. I'd just be like, no, that looks alright. So this could obviously go two of one ways. Basically, one option is the car's gonna blow up on me because I haven't fitted it wrong. Or two, this is gonna go amazing and my Simba's gonna be more fun. Right, so using my Asian powers, I'm gonna quickly turn this car around. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Let me give the car a few revs and hear what it sounds like before. Alright then boys, so the first thing we need to do is we need to get under this car, and obviously what we're going to do is we're going to jack the car up. Honestly, this thing is so big. Once we take it off, honestly, I do not want to hear how loud it is. So what we need to do is unscrew this bolt right here. Take it out of this exhaust hanger. There's one exhaust hanger up here. We don't even have to actually go into the car to unscrew it. I think it is this bolt right here. This bolt took my V-card, boys. Honestly, this was the first thing that I've ever touched underneath my car or any
car. So to get the bolt off, it wouldn't budge at the start. You know, I tried for about a minute, and then I sprayed it with WD-40, and then I left it sit for 10 minutes. Then, just to make it a little bit easier for me, I just used a brake bar just to snap the bolt loose. And the brake bar is just a massive off pole. And honestly, if anybody's working on their car, a brake bar is like God's gift to you. Invest in a brake bar, especially if you're weak like me. The car right now, and this exhaust hanger, we've got 2 exhaust hangers. This one right here, and this little bitch right here. These are the most fucking frustrating things I've ever had to do in my life. This is how close it is, and I'm yanking on it as hard as I can. It won't budge. Everyone makes this look so easy. Bruv, I'm here to tell you it's not fucking easy. I'm stuck on a bloody rubber bit. First exhaust hanger is right here, and I've finally got it out. Just by using little elbow grease, you know? I've actually got it out. Really, really tough to get out. So on to the next exhaust hanger, and you know the feeling when a girl slides into your DM out of bloody nowhere, just for them to fucking ghost you. Well, that's exactly how this motherfucker felt. The first one come off nice-ish, but Vauxhall thought, you know what, just to piss you off, I'm going to stick a bloody bolt on the end of the second one. Now, I'm not going to lie to you guys, I did try to get this off for at least half an hour. I tried using literally everything from pliers, everything. I did give up in the end, and I sawed that bitch off. Guys, I found a snack. There we go. The muffler is out. Whew. Look at that beast. Oh my god. So we've got rid of the muffler. This is basically me turning the car with no pipe at the end. Ready?
Oh really?
Yeah, you ready? Oh my fucking god. That was like a lion. What? So, if I'm correct, that should be literally the sound of the engine, or the sound of the exhaust. Fam, that's loud. So in here, we've got the new exhaust, and obviously, luckily, these exhaust hangers don't have those stupid pipes on, like those do. But yeah, we'll fit that. It should be very simple to fit. Right boys, for the first time I'm going to take you under the car, but with the new exhaust on. As you guys can see, pipe is right there and ready to be fitted with the Cobra Sport. Let's crawl under the car. Oh, this is my little workstation. Oh, fucking hell. Sounds like I'm bloody having some taking up the arse. All in the hangers, as you guys can see. And then down there, it's in the exhaust hanger as well. Yeah, we'll turn the car on. And this is going to be the first time it's ever going to be turned on with the new exhaust. Here's my reaction of the first time with my Cobra exhaust. Let's flip and turn this on in 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, that is so loud. Oh my god. Obviously the exhaust is now all installed on the car. I can't see any leaks from here. Genuinely, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lower this car down, and tomorrow what I'm going to do is, instead of revving the engine here, I'm going to go somewhere quiet and rev it there, because I'm literally blown away at how loud this is. It's just a straight pipe to the front of the car now. Next day, and honestly, so I was in shock yesterday at how loud that was.
He needs some milk.
So what I'm gonna do right now is, I know it's still loud. I've actually figured out why it's so loud on my particular car, and that is because I don't have a middle silencer. Basically, in the middle of the car, I believe at least, most Corsas have a silencer, which is like a little muffler basically. My car doesn't have it. It literally, my car literally, it has a pipe going from the front of the car to the back of the car. There is no middle bit to make the car more quiet. We'll turn on the car and we'll go on a little drive. Let me make sure nobody's about, and then I can... Oh my God. That sounds beautiful. That sounds beautiful! Oh my God, that is... That's so gorgeous. Let me go on a drive. It almost sounds like a speakers at the back. And also we've got the air filter on the car. Oh my God, it's like popping! It's popping! This is not safe. This is not safe for me to drive. Oh my God, it's popping! It's f***ing popping! Wait, windows down. Ah! What are you saying? Oh, no, that's too much. Oh my God, it's actually beautiful. Alright, boys, that is unfortunately all for today's video. So obviously we've installed the car like you guys saw. No, we've installed the exhaust like you guys saw, and genuinely, it's fucking mad. I actually kind of do want to keep it, but I don't want to, you know, starting the car, it's absolutely terrifying. It's extremely loud. Okay, alright then guys, so unfortunately that is the end of today's video. Stay tuned for my next videos on this exhaust. I will be driving them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Honestly, I'm so gassed with the results. You know, I've got cuts and bruises all over my hands from installing this exhaust. Was kind of a little bit tricky to install just because I'm a beginner. But anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys did enjoy it, and I'll see your faces in my next video.